Alright, here's the situation on Team Island Spirit as we sail from Clarence down to Provo, Turks and Caicos, 180 miles away. We have the wind on a magnetic heading of 180 to 190, only 15 knots of wind, and it's about 50 degrees off the starboard bow. Boat's making a course of about 120, which is right towards Acklands. You can see the beautiful blue water. You can see Hayden is harnessed in here. Radine's down below taking a nap. And here's what's going on. This beautiful sunrise off the bow as we sail east into it is just mesmerizing as you watch the water. Take a look at this. Island packet winds and island packet sailing. You got about, again, the waves never look like it, but this is 3 to 4 foot seas, and the wind off the starboard bow, the waves are coming up into the jib up here, which you rarely see. And I'll come back to the helm here, and you can see autopilot doing the job. I can get back here. It's not easy moving around. The boat's heeled over like this. Got to put your foot down here on the side. Okay, here's the view from the helm. We're looking for the wind to die down a little bit. Now we're off of Clarence Town, beating over across here. I'll zoom this back a little bit. Cross over to Acklands Island. I'll zoom back a little bit more. And then we'll round the top of Acklands and then start heading southeast to Provo a little bit more. We got the tablet here giving us the overview picture of where we're going. Hard to see, just went dim. There it is. And if I hold the camera straight, you get the view from the helm. We're leaned over about 30 degrees, 20 degrees. And then if I look to the stern, see the beautiful blue water. And the dinghy and the davits. Again, back looking forward. And of course, the preferred seat is right here to the side. So you get your pillows, you get your backrest in here. Then you fly down to this corner. Ouch. And you sit back here, harnessed in, watch autopilot steer. Got a little bit overpowered main. The rudder is trying to fall off. She wants to round up. I should let out the main a little bit. That's indicating my center on my wheel is down to the side a little bit. She's rounding up. She's a little overpowered. And from the helm seat here, I can see my instrument over there, my Triton 2. Can read that. I can look up at my nav screen, and I can just sit here and watch the beautiful water go by. Team Island Spirit Sailing 2017 for Provo. 180 miles to go.